Welcome to Solar Intelligence. If you are thinking about solar, contemplating installing solar, have already installed solar, or are just generally inquisitive about solar, this is the channel for you. Hi there, I'm Willem van Schalkwyk and this is Solar Intelligence. In this series, I'll be presenting 3 different series of videos. The one is the how-to series. The how-to series is the theoretical details about how to construct and install your solar system. The next series will be the detail of the practical DIY part. We call that solar DIY. The practical installation of the panel and the inverter, the wiring up and the crimping of cables, and so on and so forth. And then the last video is a technical series. For those of you that are a little bit more technically inclined, that is where I'll be discussing more technical details. That's when I really come alive and going into a bit more theory and in-depth discussions about solar systems. Here, we are going to give you the good, the bad, and the ugly. Regardless whether the topic is enjoyable, regardless whether it's popular or not, we'll give it to you from the horse's mouth, as it is. My background, I studied electronics at varsity many hundreds of years ago. And in 2014, I entered this industry. I trained through Max Academy. They are now back in Germany. At that stage, they were working with DGS, one of the largest German training companies. Did solar designer, on-grid, and solar installer courses with them. Then I did in 2016, I did a P4 certification with AREB. In 2018, I did my PV Green Card certification with Sabvia. And for the last 3 or 4 years, I've been training at the Green Academy as a trainer, as lecturer at the Academy, training new solar installers for Sabvia. Our experience in the last 10 years, we've done just short of 300 installations, most of them in the commercial sector, but also then quite a few installations in the residential sector. That adds up to around about 2.5 megawatts of solar PV, around about 2.5 megawatt of inverter power, and just about as much of battery storage in megawatt hours. Okay, you know what to do with the dings and the bells and the thumbs. Please do it, but make sure that you are notified when we do our next video. We're planning to release at least 1 video a week, initially quite a bit more than that. And we'll see you on the other side. See you!